I'm Vanessa. I'm 33 years old and I am a Barnstable resident. About 7 years ago when I found Duffy and I started going to Duffy, I went there originally for medication treatment for substance abuse. When I was seeking treatment, there were not a lot of facilities around, like medical doctors that were prescribing medication on the regular, or that were taking new patients. At that point in time, it was so long ago, there was a wait list, and I waited and waited because I knew how great the care was at Duffy. Since then, my care has gone to not only substance abuse treatment, but it's also gone to my medical treatment and to my mental health treatment. And it's also gone now to spiritual health care and meditation care, which I like. Even during COVID, they're trying to constantly better the facility, whether it's expanding care options or looking upon themselves to better the care that they already have. And they're also always reaching out to their patients and clients to making sure they're okay, even before COVID. So I was scared that we weren't going to be able to get medication or treatment or talk to our therapist, which is important to me because I need that. I need to have an outside person outside of my life to speak to. But that was a big scare for me because I didn't know how I was going to get any of that treatment done or care taken care of. And it was taken care of. It's an adjustment, but Duffy's been really helpful in making sure that I'm happy, and I know they've been really helpful in making sure everybody else is happy and taken care of mentally and physically. I think the mission of Duffy Health Center is to make sure that no one really is alone and that no one is without care. I know that their biggest thing is to make sure that you're mentally and physically okay. And whether or not you're a client or not, they want to find out if you need that. And they're going to reach out to you if you need that. And they always want to make sure too that you have food on your table, you have a warm home. And if you don't have that, they'll help you find that and take care of that. Not a lot of medical offices do that. Duffy will give you anything and everything that you need. They'll give you the tools and they'll kind of give you the hand along that you need just to kind of get started. They're going to make sure with caseworkers and stuff that you're doing what you need to do, and then that things are getting done for you and by you. But there's pretty much anything that goes on with you yourself, whether it's mentally, physically, they will help you. You're not a number to them, you're a person. Staff is going to remember your name. When I first started going there, I met Heidi, and that was 7 years ago, and I didn't see her for about 6 months to a year. Heidi remembered my name, and that really meant a lot to me for someone in that position to take the time to remember my name and ask how I was and ask how my family was. I did have a little bump in the road, got in a little car accident, and that kind of affected me physically and mentally. However, I did not relapse. That was a big thing. I had a huge support system at Duffy that I was able to maintain my sobriety and to get through it. I was able to just continue on. And since then, I've finished some schooling. And as of about 6 months ago, I moved out on my own. And that's something I would have never seen myself doing. Yes, it was about my car accident pushed that back, but I didn't look down on that. I knew there was a reason for it, and I took the time. And therapy helped that, and I'm really grateful for that. And since then, I've also made some changes to how I've kind of outlooked on life, and a big part of that was Pam doing the spiritual program at Duffy. I'm really proud of what I've done, and I'm really proud of the help that I got at Duffy. I'm not ashamed of it. I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud and very happy and grateful for what they've all done for me. So I can't say thank you enough.